Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Today we are doing strawberry cookies. Let's begin. Either buy jam or make it by washing and cutting the leaves from the strawberries. Then chop the berries into quarters. Place them in a container or directly in a pan. Add sugar, lemon juice, and mix. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Let's cook the berries. Place them in a pan on medium heat. Add cornstarch and mix. I would like to appreciate you for joining me on this video. Thank you so much for your time. Simmer them until they are thick, stirring regularly. Once they start simmering, reduce the heat. Here I'm showing the syrup is changing the color and thickening. Once the berries are soft, mash them. You may use a potato masher or a hand blender. A big shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your loyalty and support. Here I've added ground nuts and I've lost the footage. Apologies. They are optional to add. Let's make the dough. In a bowl, beat an egg, sugar, and vanilla essence. Add oil and mix. Gradually sift in flour mixed with baking powder and little bit of salt. A warm welcome to those who are new to this channel. I hope you like it here. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Press the dough so that it comes together. Wrap it in a cling wrap and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, sprinkle flour on a clean surface and roll the dough flat. You may cut the dough half so you can manage it well. Cut the edges to make it straight, then cut straight line strips. Use all the leftover dough to make strips. Fill the strips with jam. Piping the jam was faster than using a spoon. You may use either way. Smoothen and fill the dry gaps before closing each strip. Close the strips. Given a second chance, I would roll the strips not too thin because they broke. Press the edges of each strip so the dough may close perfectly. Patch the broken parts if any. Cut the dough wiping the cutter in between cutting. That sounds like repeating. Place the cut dough on a baking sheet lined with baking paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, then cool them. Sprinkle with icing. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.